Okay guys, we'll give you a little look around my bus here. So she's right full of junk right now. Just slowly emptying it out the side door, and I love where the side door is, like towards the front. But this is me boss. I'm gonna move everything. I've got a cruise control, which is really nice. So I'm gonna have them moved over to these switches here. I'll have it wired and then moved over here, but I'm gonna keep the original door because the original door does have an exterior lock, which is awesome. So yeah, this is me bus. I still got a shit ton to unload into my sea can here. Yeah, there's all my solar panels, one of my mattresses, a welder. So I'm gonna set up this bench. Is actually, I cut this down. You guys might remember this from my shop, my desk. I cut the top down, and literally that's where it's gonna go. And there's gonna be a wall like right up against that. So basically in the back area there, that's where my my garage is going to be. It still has to be pushed back on the wall just a little bit, and it'll fit perfect. So there'll be a wall, and then the bed will be in front of that, and then a couch, an L-shaped couch. Let me get a widescreen here. And then I'll have like an L-shaped couch here up against the bed. And then when you turn around, the shitter will be here. The shower right in the center, so you'd have to walk around. Yeah, you'd have to walk around. And then that sink will be on the opposite side of the shitter to keep all the plumbing basically in the center of the wall. And then up here there'll be a dinette, and then over here I haven't decided to. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify my cabinet there and put the stove into the cabinet so I don't lose so much space, and I'll just move it over slightly, like maybe to there or to the window, and then have a piece of butcher block that extends all the way up to the driver's seat there. And then under that will be my solar controller equipment. Yeah, that'll work out really good. Okay, but for now I've got to get everything inside my sea can. Oh, everything's got to come inside here. It's only a 20-foot sea can, so, but that bench in the back is going to sit right here for now, so I can work off of it, put my DeWalt toolbox on top of it and keep it locked up. But yeah, got to get to painting the roof, which is going to be awesome. And my sister, she's still got the tint I have to pick up, but I have to delete some of the windows. So I'm gonna have the metal guys cut me some steel to fit perfect in, then put some foam board and then block it right off, because I don't need windows where my bed's gonna be. But yeah, can't wait to get on this project. It's gonna be great. Like, who cares how long it takes, right? Yeah, if it takes up until winter, so be it. Yeah, the rental of where I am is pretty cheap. A really good guy, been around for years. But yeah, cheers guys, and we'll keep you updated. Kyle's just got to come by and give me a hand moving the heavy stuff down here and set everything up, and I'll take a video of how I'm setting everything up and be able to work. All right, cheers.